Hi, Piper. Are you checking out your play area again? Huh? Are you checking that out? Yeah, I don't think much has changed since the last time. No, nothing new as far as the toy department. Uh, okay. Oh, there we go. Gonna get right to work, huh? Yeah. Oh, boy. I just love that, how you're so ready to go to work in the morning. Yeah, you love your office, don't you? Some days I see you just standing there waiting for it to be time. Yeah, that means I have to get the plants out of the room so that you can go in there and move them somewhere else. Yeah, we don't want any plants snacking. But you always wait there, don't you? Or a lot of the time. Oh, what do you see down there, huh? Oh, nothing much. Okay, I guess I should leave you alone while you're trying to get ready for work. Yeah. Okay, have a good day, Piper.